How's everyone doing today? Well, today my girlfriend is going to be building a chicken waterer for her chickens so that she can put it in there and have a heater in it so that it doesn't freeze up here in the wintertime. So I bought these barrels. I got a whole bunch more for maple syrup too that she's going to convert into a water. And this is the heater here that she'll be dropping into it. A bucket heater, so that would keep it warm, the water warm from freezing. And then as well, she's bought these little chicken water things here. So basically we're going to drill a hole into the bucket. And then it looks like there's threads on it, so the thing just screws in. And then you fill the bucket up with water, and these are just spring loaded. So what happens is when the chicken comes up, they'll press the beak on here, the water comes up, and there's a small tray in there where they can drink the water from. Once we get started, she's just going to find some drill bits. We'll show you the process of making a water feeder for your chickens. All right, so what are we going to do here now?
Chicken water.
That sounds exciting.
Yeah. Orson, no.
Doggy's eating away over there. Okay, so how high do you want to put the water, do you think?
Well, you want it so you're not going to get like bedding and stuff to worry about. But you also want the water to not, I don't know, probably like here?
Sure, that looks good.
Then,
that's probably what the height of the chicken head anyways, right?
Yeah, well they can reach pretty high, but
yeah.
you want it to be able to drain some
Yeah,
of it,
you don't want too high because then the water gets stagnant.
Yeah. So,
right.
Yeah, somewhere around here maybe.
And we got a dog helping us too.
You say hi, Priya, you're on camera. Okay. I might need you to hold the barrel so I can leave.
Alright. And how many are you going to put into this barrel here?
I'm not sure. Quite a few, I think, but I've never done these before, so we'll see.
So these ones just looks like they screw in a bigger bit, eh? Yeah. So oh, yeah, it's just small, eh? Okay.
Small.
So we need to track down some bigger bits. We'll be back when we have that. Okay, it's nice to have the proper drill bits when you can find them, right?
Works better.
Works way better.
Yeah, one day we'll get the tools organized.
Okay, watch out, pup.
Priya, out of the way.
It's hard to do this with a pup. Hey.
Out of the way. Hey, I don't want to play.
All right, Priya, come here. There we go. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Okay, we'll see how this goes in. Priya.
Yeah, it goes a little bit.
That's working nicely, eh?
Yep.
No biting. No biting, Priya. No
I'm
biting.
not sure. I'll leave it like that.
No bite.
Just see what happens, yeah. Good idea. So we're gonna go all the way around here and do it up.
I'll start at the other side and then.
Now, do you have OCD and are you gonna equally space them or do you really care?
That might be why I said we'll start at the other side for the next one.
Now, is that like a total 180 degree difference or is that gonna be slightly off?
Would you like me to measure?
Maybe. Honestly, I don't care. I don't have OCD, so I could care less.
As long as it's functional.
And I don't think the chickens.
I don't care too much either, but.
Yeah, and I don't think the chickens will care if they're symmetric. How can you say that? Symmetrical. That's it. So this is a super fast, easy way to do a do-it-yourself chicken waterer.
And they charge like $200 for the big ones like this, I think.
And then what do they? How much was the bag of nipples there?
$12.99 or something.
So there you go.
$20, I don't know, but it was under $20 anyway.
And you said they were $200 somewhere other places?
Yeah, the small barrel ones that are like a quarter the size of this, they were I think $80 or something.
Right. And the barrel cost me $28. So we're at what, 40, probably roughly $40.
And then I'll drill a hole in the top so we can drop the heated water from the plug
in. Okay. We'll show you that part when we get to that step. So we basically save you guys what, $160 so far?
Like
if you do it this way. So nice, fast and easy. And this is going to take it all like 10 minutes to do.
Or more for plastic stuff.
Okay, so we've got them in. Fast and easy. It took all of 2 minutes. And this is a food grade barrel as well because I bought them for maple syrup, but someone is using them for her chicken water instead. Is that not right?
For chicken water too.
That's right.
Our food grade's what we want. We don't want stuff full of chemicals that they're going to drink out of.
All right, so let's check this. So this is the heater here. So it's just going to drop into the bucket.
And some heaters aren't safe in plastic because they'll melt it if they don't have a guard or something. This one's actually meant for in plastic barrels or buckets.
Okay. And is this, are some heaters a little more powerful than others? Or are they all
You
pretty
don't
much
really
the
need
same?
it to be hot. You just need it to be warm enough it's not going to freeze.
Right.
So there are some that are, but we don't really need more power. We just need to make sure it's not going to freeze. So a long enough cord that it can fit in there and keep the water warm.
Sounds good. So you might have to drill a fairly big hole because you need to get the plug through, or does it?
Yeah, we need to get the plug
Yeah,
in.
it does. That doesn't unplug at all, does it? No. Okay.
But in here, I guess I can just use this and move it around because we don't have other bit out here.
Yeah, pretty much. Or I can go grab the bit from inside.
Do you want the big cut? Do you have the cutting one?
I do. It's inside in the basement.
Okay.
So we'll be back with a different bit here. So we've got this drill bit here as well. It's a perfect size for the plug there. It's got the teeth on the outside. And yeah, working on. Maybe not that way. Thanks for helping, dog. Thanks for the help. There we go. We might have to brush out some of the shavings from the bottom too, because I'll have done that. The plastic out here. Okay, we'll check the plug quickly to make sure it fits in, which it should.
Put it up through because if I get it through and the teeth get stuck, at least.
Oh yeah,
It's good.
perfect fit. Okay, so there. Actually, it's pretty clean. We didn't get any. There's nothing in there really. Yeah. Okay. So now we'll pop the lid on.
I'll go get my expandable hose. Fill her up.
And is this okay just to sit on the bottom of it then?
Yeah, that's why this one's safe because it doesn't matter if it sits on the bottom, whereas some of them that don't have a cage or anything will melt the plastic and they're only meant for like the big livestock, like metal tubs.
Right. So that's pretty handy then.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need to do now? Get the hose so we can fill it up and put it in the chicken pen. Okay, well let's take it to the chicken pen first, I guess, since the water is in the barn already. I got the hard job turning the camera while she does that. Uh-oh.
Oh, they broke it.
Oh,
That's fine.
good times. Does that mean it's going to leak then? I hope not
It's
either.
still in there, it's just not attached to this part.
Oh. Okay.
They're apparently kind of brittle if you knock them off stuff in the hole.
Note to self. Oh, well, at least it's still sealed in the bucket, which is okay then. So
I went over here and
we got a plug there where we can plug it into. And then as well, she put a hydrant in here, a self-draining hydrant so that it doesn't freeze. And it's got a nice hose nozzle there. So we're going to hook up the expandable hose, pop it over there, and fill it up. Okay, so you've bought yourself an expandable hose here, hooked up to the hydrant. So I'll grab one end, take it over.
I don't really need that.
No, because we're just, oh, because with the attachment too. It's great. It came with the hose handle, came with the shut off valve. And let's make sure it's shut off so when she turns it on that I don't get sprayed here. All right. And we will just pop it through the fence here.
It's so light.
Yeah, super light. It's super nice. I will pop the lid off here quickly. There we go. I guess you can fire it up now. And we'll pop this in. And so I got the hose ready to go. So she's got it lifted up. takes about a minute or two for it to come up through because the water drains out of the hydrant over there. Well, here we go. Just like that. Okay, we'll come back once it's filled up. Actually, we need to check this one here to make sure it's not leaking. I'll pop some water over it. Guess we won't know really until we fill it all the way up. Okay, we'll come back when it's filled up. May take a few minutes. I'll go through and get them primed up a bit so the water comes out so the chickens know that there's water in them. There we go, coming right there. There we go, water coming out of that one. This one here as well. There we go, water coming out of those ones. And we'll just fill it up all the way. And now, once that's done, we'll pop the lid on. Let's see if our first chicken's gonna try it out. Come on, chickens, you gonna try it out? See how it works? I went around to each one and popped a little bit of water in so they know there's water in it. They can see it at least. Guess it'll probably take them a little while to figure it out what's going on and why the water source has changed. But that's okay. Chickens, come try out your new water. I guess not. Okay. Water is full. I'm going to pop the lid on it now. Just give it a little screw so the chickens does fall over. It'll be sealed. Well, I guess it doesn't matter since there's a hole in it. Got our plug up here. We'll plug it in. And we're good to go. That should keep them going. A few of them were kind of looking at it a while ago. There we go. So there you go, guys. Easy do-it-yourself water feeder for your chickens. And I hope you enjoyed that video and found it useful. If you guys build one, let me know and let me know how it goes. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.